Hi, I'm Neha Pathak. I take care of trust and estate planning at Motilal Oswal Wealth Limited. When we talk about trust and estate planning, it's a very intriguing topic because not a lot of people work on it or have a knowledge of that. And especially when I talk to people, it is people who are of male gender. There are rarely that I have talked to female gender regarding this particular topic. So today we will be concentrating more on how and what is estate planning, how do we go about it, how do we do it, how it is more important for a woman. It is important for both genders, but it is not taken care of by women. That is what we are talking about today. Now, when we talk about estate planning, let me start with what it is. It is a very simple term, estate and planning. Estate is something that one owns. It is something that belongs to you in your individual capacity, owned by you. So it can be as simple as any investment done by you. It can be a real estate held by you. It can be your lovely old zari worked sari or a very expensive watch or a jewelry, but it is something that it belongs to you. Now when we are talking about it, planning for that, it can be done in multiple ways. It can be done by a simple way of gifting it. You may want to gift it to a friend, you may want to gift a part of your estate to your child, or you may want to give it to charity, but first and foremost for your life, you would want this estate to benefit yourself. When we talk about estate planning, we are looking at the fact that this estate belongs to me and should go to the people as designed or as wished by me during my life. This can be done by nomination, by will, by gift, or by creating a simple family trust. It depends upon your objectives. Your objectives can be as simple as, I want that there should not be any litigation between the family members. It can be as simple as that I want my assets to go fairly between my family members. But this has to be written down. You may have a special needs child, or you may want to help your old age parents. Then in that case, these assets are something that you should surely write down properly about, that they should go to the people you so desire. There are instances that you may want to do a certain bit of charity, or you may want to do a continuous charity while you are there and after you're not there. Then in that case, I would suggest that you talk to a lawyer or a estate planning expert regarding creating a trust. One would also want to ensure that these assets are protected against any liabilities of children. These liabilities can not only arise from a business, but they can be personal also. There can be issues pertaining to separation. There can be litigation between the family members, because of which your properties can also be dragged. So you need to ensure that these properties are dealt with in a proper manner. When we are looking at creating a private family trust, it is a very simple creation. It is created under Indian Trust Act 1882. It is created by you for the benefit of your family members. It has a trustee who will be administering your asset. And post your lifetime, these assets can be controlled by a document known as the trust deed, and can continue to benefit the beneficiaries you so desire or you have so mentioned in the trust deed. Second thing which I have talked about earlier, which was creating a will. It is also a very simple document which is something that you should surely have. If you have an estate, that is something that is a must that you should have. You should create a will. It is created by you, where you write down what your estate is. So mention where your bank accounts are, mention where your lockers are, put a mention about your PAN number, your Aadhaar number, put a mention about where your properties are located, give a full details of the property, how is it held, what is your portion, and who would you want these assets to go to. It is not necessary to have one individual person to benefit from the entire estate. You can have multiple people or you can give your estate to multiple people also. Lastly, your will should be signed and witnessed. You should sign it. Two people at least should witness it. While you are of sound mind, it is the best time to create the will or an estate plan. I would also suggest over here that do not procrastinate and go ahead and create an estate plan right away.